Hello my beautiful people, welcome back to my kitchen. Still Benny of Benny's kitchen. So today's recipe is suya jollof rice. Yes, suya jollof rice. My son was asking me, Mom, what is suya jollof rice again? Which one you want to prepare for us today again? Oh, I said, son, just stand by. When food is ready, you will take yours. So guys, we are using our normal rice, like 4 cups. Then our suya, tomatoes and other spices. So now the pot is on the fire now. Let it dry. After drying, I'll add in some oil. Let me make the tomato base. So now I'll add my cooking oil in the pot. Let it heat up a bit. Now, so let me pour in the onions. These onions will fry for like 2 minutes so it will release all its flavors into the oil. After frying the onions, I'll add in my tomato pastes and allow this to fry very well so it will take out the sour taste. Tomato paste is well fried, so adding my tomato, pepper and onions mix here. I washed them very well and boiled them before I now blended. So this is the result. So I'll add in here now and let it boil or let it fry together. Allow it to fry very well. So this is the tomatoes. I'll just season it now. Bouillon cube. I'll be adding some suya spice. Then I'll be adding my bay leaf, all-purpose seasoning, curry and chicken spice. I'll add everything now. I'll also add some salt. Then I'll be adding the suya meat. This is suya meat. I want the meat to absorb all the juice from these tomatoes, so I'll add it now. So guys, you can see I'm taking out the suya meat because I want to fry the rice before we continue. This is real suya jollof. If you haven't tried it, after watching this video, please go and try it. So I've brought out all the suya now. I'll now pour in the rice, the washed rice, already washed rice. I'll stir very well. Let all the tomatoes get into the rice. Excuse me, please. Then I'll add the stock. Stock is the meat you get from boiling your chicken, beef or any meat or fish. So add it now, then add some more water too. So I'm still going to be adding some water, then I'll test for salt. After that, I'll now cover for it to keep boiling. So guys, I'm back to check our rice. So this is what we have here. Let me check it if it is cooked. So it's a bit hard. So add in some more water. Then I'll cover with my foil paper and lower the heat, let it steam. cook it for me very well. Or just add some little water. Then at this point, I'll bring in the suya that I took out so that it will become so soft. So I'm adding the suya back. This is suya jollof. The aroma in my kitchen is nose blocking. Everywhere is smelling suya. So guys, I'll just cover now with my foil paper. Let the steam do its work. Then I reduce the heat. Like we cook gently so it doesn't get so soggy. My people are back to check our rice. But before I continue, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. If you have been following me, thank you so very much. Keep liking, keep sharing, give the video a thumbs up, and turn on your bell so when I upload, you'll be first to see. So guys, see how beautiful the face of this my pot of suya jollof is now. Let me check it to see. Okay, there's still water in it, but I'll just add this carrot now because carrot is a bit difficult. So I'll add the carrot in it, then stir so that everything will combine very well. Wow, this is really suya jollof rice. I'll stir very well and still cover it with the foil paper so everything will, the pot will dry very well. Wow, the aroma here, So I'll cover it, let it dry very well. Again, and then sprinkle in my runner beans. At this point, I'll take in the bay leaf. I'll stir. Wow, the face of this suya jollof, it's so amazing. Let me taste for salt. The salt is okay. Seasoning very okay. I'll cover a bit, then we are good to go. Yeah, I'm back again. Wow, I can't wait to finish this rice. Guys, our rice is okay. Please keep liking, keep sharing. So just sprinkle some spring onions, then we are good to go. I'll cover the pot, off the heat, then let the heat take care of the spring onions. Guys, thanks you for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.